There's a rainy night, lonely night, let me dance in the night. You can hurt me twice, I ain't lie, I ain't even for the light.
Hey guys, I'm happy to share the highlights of a workshop in leading and working across cultures that I facilitated today. It was an amazing experience for all of us as we had 20 participants from China, India, Korea, and France. The workshop aimed to provide insights on how to effectively work and lead in a culturally diverse environment. We covered various topics during the workshop, which included understanding culture to prevent unconscious bias, growth mindset, motivating teams, and coaching. The workshop was really interactive and we learned a lot from each other's experiences and perspectives. It was really amazing to see the different cultural values and norms that each country has, which made us appreciate and respect each other's diversity even more. Now, I'm passionate about facilitating these types of diverse cultural groups as it enables us to create a safe and inclusive environment and promote intercultural communication and understanding. So to help you work effectively across cultures, here are some tips that I'm happy to share with you. Number one, be curious and open-minded. Inquire about other cultures and values, listen actively to what people have to say, and embrace new ways of thinking. Number two, be aware of your unconscious biases and assumptions. Examine your beliefs and values and be open to challenging them when necessary. Number three, relationships. Connect with people on a personal level, learn about their background, and respect their cultural differences. Number four, be adaptable and flexible. Be willing to adjust your communication style, decision-making approach, and working methods to accommodate cultural differences. So I hope these tips will be helpful in helping you to navigate the complexities of working and leading across cultures. And don't forget to follow, like, and share this video with your colleagues and friends.